I brush my teeth every morning. I brush my teeth every morning. She drinks coffee at breakfast. She drinks coffee at breakfast. They walk to school together. They walk to school together. He reads a book before bed. He reads a book before bed. We cook dinner every evening. We cook dinner every evening. She goes for a run every morning. She goes for a run every morning. They watch TV after dinner. They watch TV after dinner. I water the plants every day. I water the plants every day. He cleans his room on weekends. He cleans his room on weekends. She writes in her journal at night. She writes in her journal at night. They play soccer in the park. They play soccer in the park. I check my email every morning. I check my email every morning. He takes a shower after the gym. He takes a shower after the gym. She makes her bed every morning. She makes her bed every morning. We do our homework after school. We do our homework after school. They go grocery shopping on Saturdays. They go grocery shopping on Saturdays. I call my parents every Sunday. I call my parents every Sunday. She paints pictures on weekends. She paints pictures on weekends. They take their dog for a walk. They take their dog for a walk. I feed the cat every morning. I feed the cat every morning. He washes the dishes after dinner. He washes the dishes after dinner. She practices yoga every day. She practices yoga every day. We bake cookies on holidays. We bake cookies on holidays. They read the newspaper every morning. They read the newspaper every morning. I ride my bike to work. I ride my bike to work. He plays the guitar in the evening. He plays the guitar in the evening. They visit their grandparents monthly. They visit their grandparents monthly. She knits scarves in the winter. She knits scarves in the winter. I take a nap in the afternoon. I take a nap in the afternoon. He mows the lawn every Saturday. He mows the lawn every Saturday. We have a picnic in the park. We have a picnic in the park. They go to the beach in summer. They go to the beach in summer. I study for exams at night. I study for exams at night. He drives to work every day. He drives to work every day. She sings in the choir. She sings in the choir. They attend church on Sundays. They attend church on Sundays. I pack my lunch for work. I pack my lunch for work. He checks the weather forecast. He checks the weather forecast. She makes a shopping list. She makes a shopping list. We celebrate birthdays with cake. We celebrate birthdays with cake. They play video games together. They play video games together. I drink water throughout the day. I drink water throughout the day. He takes out the trash. He takes out the trash. She dusts the furniture weekly. She dusts the furniture weekly. We go hiking on weekends. We go hiking on weekends. They build sandcastles at the beach. They build sandcastles at the beach. I iron my clothes before work. I iron my clothes before work. He repairs his car on weekends. He repairs his car on weekends. She plants flowers in the garden. She plants flowers in the garden. We go to the movies on Friday. We go to the movies on Fridays. They visit the museum on holiday. They visit the museum on holidays. I practice piano every evening. I practice piano every evening. He goes fishing on Sundays. He goes fishing on Sundays. She decorates the house for holidays. She decorates the house for holidays. We have a barbecue in the backyard. We have a barbecue in the backyard. They play chess in the park. They play chess in the park. I meditate every morning. I meditate every morning. He reads comic books. He reads comic books. She cleans the windows monthly. She cleans the windows monthly. We travel during summer vacation. We travel during summer vacation. They go ice skating in winter. They go ice skating in winter. She arranges flowers in a vase. She arranges flowers in a vase. They make homemade pizza. They make homemade pizza. I organize my desk. I organize my desk. He draws sketches in his notebook. He draws sketches in his notebook. She learns new languages online. She learns new languages online. We go camping in the forest. We go camping in the forest. They watch documentaries. They watch documentaries. She attends online classes. She attends online classes. We have family dinners on Sundays. We have family dinners on Sundays. They dance to music at home. They dance to music at home. I make smoothies for breakfast. I make smoothies for breakfast. He fixes his bike. He fixes his bike. She writes poetry in her journal. She writes poetry in her journal. We visit the zoo. We visit the zoo. They have a garden party. They have a garden party. I practice photography. I practice photography. He brews coffee every morning. He brews coffee every morning. They go to the library. They go to the library. He takes care of the plants. He takes care of the plants. Thank you very much for watching.